Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an ETL process with Talend, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build an ETL process with Talend, begin by downloading Talend Open Studio from the official Talend website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch Talend Open Studio. Select the option to create a new project. Name your project appropriately and click Finish. Next, open the Job Designer by right-clicking on the Job Designs folder. Choose Create Job from the context menu. Provide a name and a description for your job and click Finish. In the workspace, you will see the Components palette on the right side. Drag the T-Input component from the palette into the Design workspace. Configure the T-Input component by double-clicking on it. Select the data source you wish to extract from, such as a database or a file. Fill in the required connection details like host, database name, username, and password. Test the connection to ensure it is established successfully. Proceed to add a transformation component by dragging tmap into the workspace. Connect the output of the T-input to the input of tmap by selecting the connection type. Double-click on the tmap component to open the mapping interface. Map the fields from the source data to the desired output structure. After configuring the mappings, click OK to save your changes. Now, add a target component such as T-output to the workspace. Configure the T-output component by double-clicking it and selecting the destination where you want to load the data. Fill in any necessary connection details for the destination. Connect the output of the tmap component to the input of T-output. Before running the job, click on the Run tab to review the job settings. Make sure to review any log settings or context parameters you wish to set. Finally, hit the Run button to execute the ETL process. Monitor the job execution for any errors or warnings in the console. Upon successful execution, verify that the transformed data is present in the target destination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.